To enable active noise cancelling for your Galaxy Buds Live that are connected to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the app name. And then tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon. And then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Now, tap the gray on-off switch next to active noise cancelling until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By enabling this option, it will block out noise in the nearby area, so you can have a quieter listening environment, allowing you to focus on your audio content without distraction from external sound like traffic or other background noise. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.